Welcome to Mom How Do I? Today I'm going to teach you how to curl hair. Here is everything you will need to curl your hair. Some items are optional. First, heat spray. Of all the products I'll show you today, heat spray is the most important. It's really the only thing I would not consider optional. It helps protect your hair from the heat, and putting heat on your hair without heat protecting spray can be really damaging to your hair. The next product is a leave-in conditioner to help your hair stay strong and healthy. I love this. It's a 10 spray, and you can just get it at Walmart or Target or Amazon, as well as many other beauty supply stores. I also like this coconut oil spray, which helps with the frizz and makes your hair healthy and shiny. I usually mix the two and put them on my hair after I use any heat. This product is completely optional. It's just a volumizing powder since I have thin hair. And lastly, to hold your curl, we have some hairspray. Now on to hair accessories. All of these are optional. Number 1, clips to help section your hair. 2, a scrunchy hair tie to hold your hair back. And 3, a glove to make sure you don't burn your hand. The last thing you will need is obviously the curling iron. The one I'll be using is a Remington brand curling wand. I've tried tons of different curling irons and I really like this one. If you want smaller, tighter curls, you will want a smaller curling iron. And a bigger iron will make bigger, loose curls. I like wand curling irons more than clip ones because it's really easy to use and it doesn't pull out your hair. The first thing you want to do is turn it on. As you can see, the default temperature is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a bit too hot for me. I like to turn it down so that I'm not putting extra heat on my hair that I don't need. This one goes down to 266 degrees, and the highest temperature it gets to is 410 degrees. The trick is to turn it on the lowest temperature that will still curl your hair. This is different for everyone, so you might just have to try it a couple different ways to see what works for you. Okay, let's get started. Now that your curling iron is on and heated, you will want to spray heat spray all throughout your hair. Depending on how thick your hair is, you might have to section it off for this part. If you have thin hair, just comb the spray through to make sure it gets everywhere. Next, you'll want to section your hair. I like to do it in 3 different sections. So I take the top hair first and use this clip to clip it in place. Then I take the middle section and clip it into place. I leave the bottom section down and split it into 2 sides, right and left. Put on the glove to protect your hand and start curling. This is what I'm going to teach you today. Every curl needs to be curled away from your face. That means the right side curls away from the right side of your face, and the left side curls away from the left side of your face. The curls go away from your face, not towards it. Hopefully that makes sense. Hold each curl for about 5 seconds, then slowly let it down. After you finish the section, tie it back with a scrunchie so it doesn't get mixed up with your hair that isn't curled yet. Okay, middle section. Right side. Left side. Notice that each curl is still going away from my face. Hold for 5 seconds. Slowly let it down. Tie that section back too, and finish off with the last section. Take your hair out and make sure there aren't any pieces that need to be re-curled. Don't forget to turn your curling iron off. Time for the products. First is the volumizing powder. You use this by dumping a little bit into your palm, picking it up on the tips of your fingers and running it right at the roots of your hair. Then comb it down and make it even. The second thing is the leave-in conditioner and coconut oil mix. Remember, this is to help make your hair stay strong, healthy, and moisturized, shiny, and not frizzy. Last but not least, hairspray to hold these curls in place. And there you have it, how to curl your hair.
Mom?